Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is sending a message to Auntie Donna. He says, stand on your own. Remember, you can't trust people. You can't trust people in these streets. And in these streets, he's talking about social media and overall. He's saying that she needs to stand on her own because people will sabotage you and they will stop at nothing to take her down. So his advice to her is stand alone. Stand alone, stand alone. He said, you blocked me, but I'm talking loud enough so that you can hear me over the fence. May I talk loud enough so you can hear me? Use a different page to listen to what I have to say because I'm going to tell you to stand alone. That was Dwayne's message to Auntie Donna. And there's other things that's going on here. He's listening to a tape that was played, that was things that have been said, and a little bit of conspiracy that's going on. So go ahead and catch the video now, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful and a blessed day.
What is this, Lord? What is this? I could have caused all them something. Andre fans, thank you. Thank you, boss. Auntie Dana, come here. Girl, come here. Auntie Dana, come here. Why I hear this? Build one fake page and come you know, so you can't see me by your proper page. So come to a fake page and listen this. Come on, your ears up in the ears wall. On the teller. And thank about, hey, me say if I hear anything like this about you again, tap push yourself on people. Stay by yourself. I keep on telling this, but you don't listen. Yes, we are no longer affiliated because you're black, me, whatever. Okay, cool. I'm gonna stay over here and chat so you can hear me over there. So I'm gonna chat loud so the message travel far over this can hear you. Stay by yourself and stop. Girl. Shanae Poochie Ladane. Go down to Jamaica, see? And get too arson. So stand by yourself and stop chat up to people you don't know. That's what I'm gonna tell you. You can't trust no one eye on these streets. Nobody. Shit. You dare not trust your own. Alright, girl, alright. Sorry, Shay. Sorry, girl. I used to make my calling him. I should have never called him because you don't share. I don't think you even liked it because I would have seen share next to your name. So here, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to play it. Sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Accept my apologies. Well, I'm going too far.
Voice note. And when I drop voice note,
yes,
will be a voice note
sir.
dropping week.
Right,
and from there onwards, I decide and when I drop voice note. J app for it is going to have it.
Yeah, I say. Talk, yeah.
J pride himself come back to school. But I want to show no say how Andre treat people. You know, one person pick me. I have proof of how him treating other people pick their life.
Area.
So I get clearance.
On the area.
They put that out there yet.
They don't get clearance to dash it out
They
yet.
have proof where Andre treating other people pick their life. But him pride himself back to school. Declared, I don't know if you're there.
On that area now, area.
Respectfully, I have nothing with against you, no problem with you.
People, if any of you if any of you have been watching Auntie Donna for a very long time, you would know Claudia, or we call her Claudia, but her real name is Claudette, right? If you don't know who Claudette is, Claudette used to be Auntie Donna's driver. Remember the one? Remember that one there? This part is about she. And Only here. Keisha, you lucky girl. Girl, I mix up pussy. Alright, only here.
Back to school.
Me not said nothing on my top chat.
Declared it. I don't know if you're there.
I declared it.
Respectfully, I have nothing with against you, no problem with you. But be careful, recording exists of you. And your intention is to bring you closer, to close to see what information you can get from Auntie Dana, to bring down Auntie Dana.
Only hear that? Only hear. Hold on there. Make her go back. Come on to me here. Good. Cock on the big antenna, listen here. That's Christ. Come on.
People pick your life. Take pride in himself and back to school. Declare that I don't know if you're there. Respectfully, I have nothing with against you, no problem with you. But be careful, recording exists of you. And your intention is to bring you closer, to close to see what information you can get from Auntie Dana, to bring down Auntie Dana. Careful with go. Careful, Auntie Claudette, careful. And as I said, from my point of view, you have coverage, but careful. But this just start.
Ah, Jesus.
It only just starts.
Ah, Jesus.
Because Andre have and ton at times to stop. Andre not stop.
Lord Jesus Christ, Father God.
Andre want to continue to draw.
Protect Dana, God.
Draw down Wayne.
Protect her.
All sort of minions fi attack me, Andre. People been drugging me from all across social media. September to now. Your own choosing. You come out and you attack me when you want. You attack people associated with me. What has Nerissa done to you? Except for good, Andre. When me and Nerissa meet Andre Stevens, we meet a fail, hungry Andre Stevens. Nerissa spend a whole heap of money on you. If I'm my side from paying rent to just general support, help paying your staff, them at your restaurant when you couldn't. So make sure take your medication under control. Food expense under control. We have done nothing but good to you, but because you are a piece of ungrateful shit, Andre.
Unaga hear some something. People me say unaga hear some something. I say, if you don't want to hear me, so come off of the live. If you don't want on the mindset we change of Andre, get off the live now. Right? Let's me with yourself. I don't care, cause darling, I don't care. I don't care what nobody about you. But let's give it a mix up. I don't care. I don't care about nobody but mix up. More I know mix up, I'm more mix up, which means I'm on no one's side, right? I'm gonna tell you guys one more time. If I can chat someone who I love dearly with all of my heart and soul, don't gal, I will chat anybody all time in a cat. I don't business. So one bex on a time bex, I don't business. You can't tell me. I don't
take your medication under control. Food expense under control. We have done nothing but good to you, but because you are a piece of ungrateful shit, Andre.
Yeah, I say.
Everybody do you good.
That is good, Natasha.
All you can do is try to turn around, pull them down, pull yourself down, and then look for somebody to blame and try to cry for pity.
You're there.
You can't play pity party with me.
Here there.
You are going to face the music.
Here there.
Open warfare. Me no need nothing to start on you now. It is my turn to be cantankerous and stupid and mad. You think you want a mad certificate?
Lord Jesus.
The thing say you want have mad certificate for wear.
Lord Jesus.
Me not sure about yours, but me sure about for me.
Lord
And
Jesus.
like walk and wave up things in a people's face. You know the murder.
That is good,
That
bro.
can
That
you
is very good.
take over for you.
What on, man
And I do
said?
everything like you. Take over for you.
Yes, sir. We chat to him. Chat to him. We go to the party. The party why?
You know the murder. That can you take over for you. And I do everything like you. And I just see minions them. Y'all send out to attack me. The same minions them. Same minions them were happy for your downfall.
Lord Jesus.
The same minions them were happy for your downfall. And them, y'all get to attack me and attack Nerissa in a public.
Lord Jesus.
What a scandal.
What a bangarang. That scandal bangarang. Right, this bangarang
But
style.
with the vice note them, may I go refix them.
The what are we mad? The what are we mad? What are we?
Everybody who come in contact with you, Andre.
On here.
Try to damage them reputation. Try to damage the reputation of the Maroons. Everything you touch, Andre, you know why? Because you're cursed. You are cursed. That's why everything you touch, you walk with one of the worst disease. It's called bad mind. From that comes jealousy, covetousness, hatredness, anger. You don't have mental health problem. Your mental health problem is all an act. It's an illusion. You like to cause illusion to get attention.
All right, Natasha. Good for you, Natasha. Good for you. You're good.
Money and Chantel. How much time you drop yourself naked in front of them? You're a pervert, aren't you?
Lord Jesus.
There is nothing good about you. What the public is seeing of you now is the Andre where we meet. And anybody in a partner, John, knows, say, Wayne rain you in and structure you. You're a loose cannon.
Only area.
And the minute you throw Wayne under the bus, you become the loose cannon again. No structure. Happened why partner job couldn't continue. There was nothing stopping you from continuing. It's your continuous spiral. What you expect? The whole way I got aligned with reputation and everything to you.
Guys, remember the light
While all you're interested in is drifting deeper into a spiral.
Lord Jesus.
Think of them for this, Andre. I mean, me tell you, make you say, be careful, Miss Claudia. If anybody I watched Andre over the last year, careful.
Hold on. People, this part, it is very, listen, me chose that part. Me telling about the other voice note, I just, that part, me no want to hear that. The first one, that one was very spicy. Wayne, you should have played out, you should have played out that one day. I'm telling you the truth, you should have played out that one day. The second one, that's no for me. But that part, yeah, Mr. Blouse and skirt, when you not say me have to draw for the party too. Oh, Jesus. Anyways, let us get into it, darlings.
And then, careful. I make me tell you, make you to be careful, Miss Claudia.
Claudia.
If anybody I watch Andre over the last year, careful. Andre over the last year, careful.
But you got dead.
You see, when Andre sing your praises, Auntie Claudia, I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Anytime you see Andre keep singing your praises, you know what onslaught I go come.
Lord Jesus.
Careful. I mean, I tell you, they might gather intelligence on you. When you don't notice all of a sudden, Andre wants to engage the baking war. Oh no, the bad mind won't I deal with. Andre problem with me why Andre had to get rid of me from around him. It's because Andre is afraid of structure. Andre is afraid of being reined in. Andre is afraid of being opposed. If you push back, you don't have to ask him no question. You have to just take him orders.
Lord Jesus.
Why he's a failure. Because in thing to say, him one can do everything by giving orders.
When you not say
Andre